Hello everyone, my name is Shraddha. Basically, I am from Amravati, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in BSc and my post-graduation in MSc Computer Science. I have 2 years of experience as an assistant lecturer and 1 year of experience as a service desk engineer. I always wanted to work with an IT organization. That's why I chose IT field and started working as a service desk engineer at Jira Software Solution Pvt Limited. As a service desk engineer, I was a single point of contact between a users and a service team. I was providing a service desk support to 185 plus corporate users. Also, we had our CRM tool for incident service desk management. We are a team of 8 members, including 3 supports engineers, 2 service desk engineers, 2 admins, and 1 manager. I was providing LI supports in password reset, application installation, basic outlooks, networks, and printers troubleshooting. I was coordinating with support team and users till call closure. In daily basis, many issues occurs where it is related to new configurations or troubleshoots or faults found or faults find. My day begins with open a mail and check a daily ticket status, other informations on a mail. On an average, I get 25 to 30 tickets daily. I get approx 185 plus system users. The tickets that are assigned to me was like operating system errors like Windows hanging, BSOD errors, drivers problem, virus problem, and sometimes Outlook mails incoming, outgoing error problems are also there. As well as there are some network issues like a slow networks connection, proxy error, signal failures, link failures. I was responsible to the MIS preparation on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. I was handling vendor coordination as well as assessed inventory. I and my teams are very efficient with installation, configuration of a Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro, and Windows Server 2016. My strengths are I have adaptability and ability to work under pressures. I am an honest, polite, determined, and result-oriented person. And my weakness is that I get hesitated sometimes, and also I have an on-stage fear. I'm working on it, and I'm sure I will definitely overcome with this problem. Currently, I'm on my notice period. As I given resignation within 7 days, I'll be released so that I can join immediately. That's all about me. Thank you.